All the birds are included in this class. Birds are unique among vertebrates in having feathers on their bodies. Both birds and mammals are considered to be evolved from reptilian ancestors. Scales on the legs and claws are reptilian characters which are still very prominent in birds. Evolutionary history of birds is very interesting. In 1861, from the rocks of Jurassic period, fossil of a bird was found which was given the name of Archaeopteryx. A lizard-tailed bird, it is of size of a crow. Interesting about it is that it has characters of both reptiles and birds, so can be considered a transition species between the two groups. Some of the birds, like characters of Archaeopteryx, are well-developed counter and flat feathers covering the body, well-developed forelimbs modified into flying wings, tail with two rows of feathers, skull large with a single occipital condyle, jaws elongated to form a big reptilian character of Archaeopteryx, presence of scales on legs, bones solid and heavy without air spaces, jaws with teeth present in sockets. A long, tapering lizard-like tail consists of 20 caudal vertebrae, 9 to 10 cervical vertebrae, no fusion of trunk and sacral vertebrae, sternum not killed, free cervical and abdominal ribs are also present. Simple brain with cylindrical cerebral hemisphere and unexpanded cerebellum. Four limbs with three clawed fingers. The above evidences prove that Archaeopteryx was a connecting link between reptiles and birds. Birds gradually evolved and became one of the most successful group of vertebrates. Distinguishing character of birds. Homeothermic, warm-blooded animals because they can maintain their body temperature. The body is covered by different colored feathers which are epidermal exoskeleton. Body is fusiform, streamlined to allow better movement and air with less resistance. Forelimbs are modified into wings for flight. Adapted a bipedal life and hind limbs are used for walking on land. The aquatic birds possess webbed feet. Skin is without epidermal gland except for urophageal gland present at the base of tail. Bones of the birds are hollow, having air spaces which make them light and weight. Sternum is well developed into a keel which not only helps in cutting the air during flight but also provides additional area for attachment of muscles. Jaws are without teeth and are modified in form of a beak. Digestive system has a crop to store the food and a gizzard to grind it. Heart as four-chambered. This is also important point. With two auricles and two ventricles, a single aortic valve is present which corrodes to the right side. Blood is red due to hemoglobin contained in OL-nucleated RBCs. Vocal cords are not present in larynx, but a special sound box syrinx is present. This is also a key point. At the junction of trachea and bronchi, lungs are provided with extra air sacs. These air sacs are extended into viscera. This is also an important point. Eyes are provided with third eyelid, the nictitating membrane, which can be drawn across the eye. A rudimentary pinna is present outside the external auditory opening. Excretory organs are metanephric kidneys. Ureter open into common cloaca. This is also an important point. And nitrogenous wastes are excreted in the form of semi-solid uretes. Sexes are separate and sexual dimorphism is present in many birds, not in all. Fertilization is internal. Female has only left ovary and oviduct is well developed. This is adaptation, flight adaptation. Females have shell secreting glands, eggs covered with hard calcareous shell. Birds are amniote Amniotes and have all four extra embryonic membranes: amnion, chorion, yolk and allantois. In many birds, parental care is very developed. This is also important point. Types of birds. Birds are of two types: flightless birds, flying birds. Flightless birds are those birds which do not fly in the air. They are called running birds. As instead of flying, they secondarily has adopted a running mode of life. Their bones are not hollow and sternum is not keeled. Tail feathers are irregularly arranged. For example, ostrich, kiwi, cassowary, penguin, etc. Flying birds. Flying birds are the birds with strong wings for flight and keeled sternum. Their bones are hollow, tail feathers are well developed and are used for steering the birds in air during flight. For example, pigeon, sparrow, parrot, eagle, owl, etc. Class Mammalia. Mammals are the animals in which females nourish their babies with milk. This is another topic now we will discuss in other lecture.